New Jersey airport, and it's our first time going to New York, so we have to. I'm kind of scared. My friend is not here. We have to go to a shuttle bus to the air train to go to New York. Hi everyone! I just want to share paano kami napunta to New York City, Times Square sa hotel namin. We are in New Jersey Airport. Buti na lang may TikTok. Kung wala, naku, na-stranded na kami dyan sa airport na yan. And then, walang may alam paano pumunta. So, nag-decide kami mag-air train pala, papuntang train going to New York. So, nakita namin and mura lang yung air train papuntang train going to New York. So, yung train na yan is $16 only going to New York, Times Square. Pero grabe, ang lakas ng loob namin, no? Pero I'm so takot kasi nakakatakot talaga. So, ayan na nga, nandyan na kami sa Times Square. Sinabihan kami ng isang tao dyan na, be brave. So, nakapunta na nga kami, thanks to her. Naku, wala akong masabi sa subway nila. Madumi at mabaho. Sorry, but it's true. Talagang ibang-iba. At finally, naka-experience na din akong pumunta at sumakay sa subway na yan. Ayan na nga ang Times Square. Oh my God, it's so nice. But it's raining cats and dogs.